The first one is a message from the Senate. Pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 41(4) of the National Assembly Standing Orders relating to messages from the Senate, I wish to report to the House that today, Friday, 18th October 2024, I've received a message from the Senate regarding its decision on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, EGH, as Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Honourable members, the message conveys that the Senate investigated the matter in accordance with Article 151(b) and 2 of the Constitution, as read together with Article 145 and Standing Order 79 of the Senate Standing Orders, and after according the